First up, we're taking a look at the TCL Rainio X2, a game changer in the world of augmented reality. These aren't your average smart glasses. The Rainio X2 is designed to look and feel like a regular pair of glasses, but don't let that fool you. They pack some serious tech under the hood. We're talking about high-resolution displays that overlay information directly onto your field of view, advanced spatial audio for an immersive sound experience, and real-time language translation capabilities that break down communication barriers. Imagine walking down the street and getting turn-by-turn directions projected right in front of you, or having a conversation with someone who speaks a different language, all translated in real time. The possibilities are endless. Next up is a device that caught my eye with its unique design and functionality, the VoiceChat. This isn't your typical smartwatch. The VoiceChat takes integration to a whole new level by incorporating a detachable Bluetooth headset directly into its bezel. It's like having a high-end smartwatch and a premium Bluetooth headset all in one sleek package. Imagine taking a call without having to fumble for your phone or earbuds. Just detach the headset from your wrist and you're good to go. And when you're done, it seamlessly snaps back into place. Doppelmayr Garaventa, a name synonymous with innovative cable car systems, is back in 2025 with a game changer, a state-of-the-art urban gondola system designed to tackle the challenges of modern cities. Picture this: gliding silently above congested streets in a sleek modern cabin, enjoying panoramic views of the city. That's the future Doppelmayr Garaventa is building. This isn't just about convenience, it's about sustainability too. These gondolas are electric-powered, offering a clean and efficient alternative to gas-guzzling cars. The Airspeeder Crude is not your average aircraft. It's the world's first crewed flying race car. And it's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in personal aviation. Imagine the thrill of piloting this electric vertical takeoff and landing craft, soaring through the skies at incredible speeds. The Airspeeder Crude is a testament to cutting-edge engineering, with its aerodynamic design, powerful electric motors, and advanced flight systems. But it's not just about speed and performance. The Airspeeder Crude also represents a vision for the future of urban air mobility, where eVTOLs could revolutionize transportation as we know it. Apple Vision Pro step into the future of spatial computing. Next, we're diving into the world of spatial computing with the Apple Vision Pro. This sleek and futuristic headset is designed to blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds, offering a seamless blend of augmented and virtual reality. Imagine attending virtual meetings that feel like you're in the same room as your colleagues, or immersing yourself in interactive games and experiences that come to life right before your eyes. The Apple Vision Pro is all about creating intuitive and immersive digital experiences that feel natural and engaging. Viazon Selfie Stand, your content creation companion. Last but not least, we have a gadget that's perfect for content creators, vloggers, and anyone who loves capturing the perfect shot, the Vizon Selfie Stand. This isn't your average selfie stick. It's a versatile and robust tripod stand designed to hold your smartphone, tablet, or camera steady for professional quality photos and videos. Whether you're shooting a travel vlog, recording a cooking tutorial, or just want to up your selfie game, the Vizon Selfie Stand has got you covered. It's lightweight, portable, and packed with features like adjustable height and angle, making it the perfect companion for capturing life's moments.